window hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. So today's video is going to be a fun one, you guys. I am doing some cleaning and some cleaning in the new house and packing in the apartment that we're in now. So I'm just doing a little bit of light packing. As you see here, my daughters and I are worshiping, playing some worship music, and we're just having a good old time. Michaela didn't want to be on camera today because her hair wasn't done, so she didn't want to be on camera, so that's the reason for the smiley face. But we're just having some fun while cleaning and packing and, you know, getting ready to move into the new house. It's within this week, actually, that we're getting ready to move soon. The girls are starting school next week, so I'm hoping that we can meet that deadline. But we're just going to be doing some light cleaning, and then I'm going to take you over into the new house. You guys are going to see it, but just little bits and pieces of it. I will give you a full house tour once everything is done. But right now we're just going to go over to the new house, and we're going to be doing some light cleaning over there. Pretty much just sweeping. Majority of the time we're sweeping because it's just very dusty and just a lot of things on the floor, so we need to get those things up. And then I'm going to be helping my brother in the garage as well. So here we are. I'm packing and I'm organizing this closet so that when it's time for us to put the things in our cars, we can just grab everything. Everything is packed in boxes and bags and where they're supposed to be, in totes. Our things, my kids and I, we didn't have to really unpack anything because everything, we've just been living out of suitcases and totes. So our stuff is still pretty much packed up. But I just wanted to organize this closet so that when it was time for us to move, we can just throw things in the car and this closet is done. So that is what I'm doing now, and that is what we're getting ready to do. Go to the new house and start doing some cleaning over there. So I hope that you guys get some inspiration and get some motivation from this video as well. My Nyla BZ and my kids are going to be in this video somewhat, but I just wanted to take you guys along with me. Hopefully you guys can get some things done in your home as well as we tackle a lot of stuff that's going on in the new house.
Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun.
So here we are in the new house. This is a glimpse. This is just a little part of my brother's bedroom. His master bedroom is humongous, and this is his master bath. So I'm just in here just sweeping everything and wiping everything down, getting kind of that debris and all the tile, you know, powdering and stuff like that out of the way, because the workers, they did the work and everything and they do great work, but we just had to go in there and just kind of clean up a little bit. And I'm definitely going to be giving you guys a house tour once everything is done and he gives me the okay to do that, and show you guys around the new house. I don't know if I told you guys on this channel, over my main channel, you'll see a little bit of tour and updates. But on this channel, I think it might be my first time showing you guys the actual house. This is the upstairs part of the house. And we are so excited about it. But my brother has so lovingly and graciously and just thoughtfully thought of my kids and I, and he gave us the basement, but the basement doesn't look like a basement. This is the laundry room. Just kind of showing you guys what it looks like before I started cleaning. But he gave us the basement, you guys, and the basement doesn't look, it looks like a complete apartment, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to take you guys down there in this video so you guys can see it, but it's just absolutely stunning. So that's where we're going to be, and it's a 2-bedroom, so we have so many things to look forward to, decorating wise, and lots of cleaning videos and lots of inspiration. So we're super excited. So now we are in the basement, the actual space that my kids and I are going to be living in. And like I said, it does not look like a basement. The ceilings are super high and it's just such a large space, but I just love it so much. My kids and I are just so in love with this space, and I cannot wait to start decorating it and just, you know, making it feel like home and lots of coziness and everything. I'm so excited about starting to decorate for the fall and doing lots of cleaning videos and, you know, just lots of coziness. So this is the space. I will take you guys through the space in its entirety. But like I said, over on my main channel, which I will link down below, that's Nyla, which I will link down below, you guys can go and you'll see like an updated tour of the downstairs part. But just showing Michaela that there's a spider because she doesn't like spiders. So just sweeping out and cleaning out and kind of getting all of that drywall, sand, and debris, and, you know, all the things that comes with renovations, trying to get it all up off the floors. By the way, my daughter Michaela was filming. She did pretty good on the camera, if I might say so myself, and she had to keep filming it landscape and vertically because I was also filming for shorts and reels and all those things. So that's why you'll see the changing of the size of the videos. I really need to get a vlogging camera so that I can use my camera for vlogging for YouTube and then my phone for, you know, regular reels and shorts. But working my way to it, you guys. But yeah, this video was, like I said, it was a lot of sweeping, but we just needed to get into the house and get some things done and, you know, cleaned up. And so that was on the agenda for this day. So I hope you guys are inspired to sweep. Or motivated, you guys, to tackle the smallest little things that's on your list, be it laundry, cooking, sweeping, dusting, vacuuming, whatever it is. Tackle. Oh yeah, the water bugs, oh my gosh, is insane in Georgia. Y'all, why y'all didn't tell me about y'all water bugs? They are crazy. But to just tackle those little things that's on your list. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope, like I said, that you guys are inspired and motivated to tackle the little things that you need to get done around your home. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. And I will see you guys next time. Have a wonderful day and bye.